Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add a fixed position for a text box in your website projects on the Webflow website builder. So let us dive into this. Navigate to site project, select the page. I will go with this example page here, and let me insert a new text box for the sake of this tutorial. Let us go with a paragraph. Let me insert it here. So that's the text box. Left click into it. Or we've got a text box like this. So as you can see, they can have different sizes and positions. So click into it. Next, what you want to do is navigate to style here and expand the position tab. You can choose a position like static, but you can also go with relative, absolute, or a fixed position like this. And that is going to, select the fixed position. You can also customize that as well here by fixing the position to the top left, top right, and so on and so forth. And you can adjust the relative to settings, like to the given body, for instance. And you can also switch to float, which is the opposition to the fixed position, if you like, and choose, for example, float, one of these. However, guys, this will disable the fixed position because floating means basically that, as you can see, the given text box floats in relation to an element here. Like if you have a text box and an inserted image, it may move or float in this case here in relation to the given image, and you can position the floating to the left, to the right, and so on and so forth, guys. So let me switch back to relative, for example, and then as you can see, the floating effect will be enabled. So you may choose one of these here or disable it. So that's how you add a fixed position for a text box on your page in a Webflow website builder. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.